Welcome back to Wiki Universe. In 5 minutes I'm going to show you how to take the radio of Porsche, Carrera, 911, BOXSTER, and CAYMAN. Okay, so this is the navigation. The first thing you want to do, get these tools. You're going to need 2 of these plastic ones, 1 of these, and those 2 ends, which will be T20, and T30. These 2. We're going to start with the bigger one, T30, and that's the screw you want to take. That one over there, it's only 1 screw. It stays like that. You can't really see it because of the carpet, but it's right there. You're going to find it. Take this one out. This one pops off. Okay, once this one pops off, you got the smaller end, which is T20 right here, and you're going to take these 2 screws right there, 1 and 2. Once you take those 2, they will hold this little panel right here, okay, and then all you need to do is take this panel out, just like that. That's all you need to do. Same thing on the other side. There's another screw of the carpet, little piece of carpet right there. This panel, 2 screws, take it out, and then you have the radio. I already left the radio out so you can see what exactly is in there, and that's when you're gonna need this little 2 right here. Okay, this little 2 here goes right in there. See, right in there. And I'm going to show you, that's why I left the radio out, so you can see what exactly does it do, because you can't really see it when it's inside. So this thing opens and closes that little thing in here. So this specific radio doesn't have one in there. Maybe it's broken, someone broke it or something, changed it before. So you got 2 of these in here, and once you close them, they only go up and down. That's the end of it, and that's the end of it. That's it, up and down. Okay, once you close it, then close both of them. They go right here. You're might want to open your glove compartment. They're right here. These 2, put it down, both of them on both sides, and then you're done. Some of them, they might have this little bolt right here. They have to unscrew it on this side and maybe on the other side too. This one didn't have on the other side, but just in case, you might want to unscrew these 2 little bolts in here with that little 2 right here. And there you go, your radio, and that panel also the same way, just like that. You know, move it up and down, just pull it straight back, and then you're done. And then your radio is free to go. It's inside. You just pull it with these 2 little things on the other side. Take 1 in here, 1 in there, so you don't damage the radio, and your radio is free to go. You're ready to replace your radio or repair it. Thank you guys for watching this, and we'll see you later.